Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with another 2 Looks 1 palette. This one is with the new Terra Moon Cosmic Wanderer palette. This packaging is so beautiful. It looks like, I've had people, when I've shown them this palette, they're like, is that a bat? I'm like, no, it's a person laying in a hammock. These are the trees. This is the hammock, and there's a person in the hammock with the moons behind them. So that's what it is. The palette reflects the inside, which I love about a palette. These same colors are inside. So when you look at it, you're like, oh, this is so pretty. And then sometimes you open up a palette and you're like, the color story is not the same. But this one is, and it has a sleeve. Same thing on the packaging. And then this is the palette. So pretty, matches the outside of it, the colors. I had a good time using this palette. I will use it more. I will put swatches here that I posted on Instagram. I had no problem with these at all. None at all. Very pigmented. The mattes are beautiful. The duochromes and multi-chromes are also amazing. I have a lot of Terra Moon singles, and this is a good way to add those to your collection because these do come out. They're magnetic, so if you didn't want to keep the packaging, you can just put this in a Z palette. But I like the packaging, so I'm gonna keep them in there. Or if I wanted to say travel, and I wanted to take all Terra Moon shadows, I could take these out and put in the ones that I have and make my own custom palette if I wanted to travel with it. But I used this color, I think I used a little bit of this, but mostly this color, these two, these here, and then I also used that, and then I used these here. So 2 looks, but it's a beautiful palette. I will give you a few swatches of these. And I'll also give you this one too. This one is a little flaky, so I'm just patting in there so you can see them there, and then I'll swatch them. Do the thumb first. It looks white, but it has a pink, purple. To me, it's showing me pink and purple and some blue. And as you can see there, it's showing some teal, very shiny. We'll also do this in the mirror, of course. This one here. Beautiful mermaid color. And that's a beautiful fuchsia, nice shiny fuchsia with a blue reflect. And this purple with a teal reflect. And this one is like the ultimate mermaid color. It's got purple and teal and blue. These are so pretty. They're so pretty, and very shiny, and they were very smooth. I had no problems using them at all. I enjoyed the looks that I did. And then we'll use the mirror so you can see any shifts. But they are so pretty and stunning. And I'm so glad I picked it up to add more Terra Moon to my collection. I want to get some more singles because they do have some new duochromes that they came out with and multi-chromes that they came out recently. So I want to add those to my collection as well. But this is the Cosmic Wanderer from Terra Moon, and we will go ahead and get into the looks.